believe I did let you guys know that I was ordering some signal light for the 010X. It's over there. So I have a signal light for the back. So that's what just arrived today. Of course, shout out to FedEx for always damaging my box. Every package that I've always picked up from them, I'm not sure what the deal is, but it's always a damage. See right there? It's like a huge stuff right in there. I don't know, man. I ordered also the off-road tires for the scooter as well. So we're gonna be taking a look. All right. All right. All right. This is it. So I ordered this is the bicycle red light. This is gonna go at the back of the scooter. And then I ordered these off-road tires. This looks huge. This looks so big. Damn. Just installing this, I feel like it's gonna be really, really tough to do. Let's try to compare it to the original ones. And then these ones. Enough about the tires. I also got the tubes with it. It is for the tail light. Okay. So I'm just gonna open up the tail light. Let's see what we have in there. Move this to the side. This is it. It's kind of smaller than I thought. I thought it would be much bigger than this. But this is it. That's how it comes. I hope the battery is rechargeable. What was that? One screw just fell off in one of these bolt nuts. So it looks like it is gonna be rechargeable, because do you see this cable here? It's just a regular USB. It's not like the Type-C or anything like that. And they give you like mounting brackets. It's like more. Oh, and this is the controller. This is the controller that is gonna go on the handlebar. So I'm thinking I can mount this at the back. You see where the suspension is at? There's like a little room right there. Thank you guys for watching. That's all. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.